Should we leave without you? I need to talk to you just a little bit more. Separate multiple souls from heaven with a comma and then confess. Your hatred becomes like a winter garden rot. Just spit it out, spit it out. I don't need to have it anymore. Just small enough to change a little, just small enough to change a little. Just need to talk to you a little bit longer. Is it time to go? I tried to spit it out, I want it out, I want it to evaporate under the glare of confidence. To stand up here and be confident. How much do you really care? Would you reach out to someone who isn't there?